Hi students, come to course on coordinate geometry. Find the value of k for which the points 8, 1, k minus 4 and 2 minus 5 are collinear. Come to solution. If the 3 points are collinear, it will satisfy the condition AB plus BC is equal to AC. In this figure, AB plus BC is equal to AC. That it has to prove. And it can be done by using the distance formula. We can find the distance AB by root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. By using this formula itself, we can find the distance BC and also we can find the distance AC. Another method to do this problem is the slope method. That is, the formula for slope method is y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2 is equal to y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus x2. By substituting the values of y1 y2, x1 x2 and y3 y2 and x3 y s3 by x2, that is 1 minus minus 4 by 8 minus k is equal to minus 5 minus minus 4 by 2 minus k, and it become 1 plus 4 by 8 minus k is equal to minus 5 plus 4 by 2 minus k, that is equal to 5 by 8 minus k is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus k. Then cross multiplying, we get 2 into 5 into 2 minus k is equal to minus 1 into 8 minus k. 10 minus, opening the bracket, 10 minus 5k is equal to minus 8 plus k, and taking the like terms here, 10 plus 8 is equal to k plus 5k, that is 6k is equal to 18, and k is equal to 18 by 6, that is equal to 3. The most tricky way to do this problem is that write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1. Then multiply 8 into minus 4, that is minus 32, k into minus 5, minus 5k, 2 into 1, 2. Then add this side. Next, 1 into k gives 1k, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus 5 into 8, minus 40, then add it. Then equate the LHS and RHS, that is minus 48 plus k is equal to minus k minus 30. Then taking the like terms, k plus 5k is equal to minus 30 plus 48, that is 6k is equal to 18, and k is equal to 3. Here also we get k is equal to 3. This is the most tricky way to do this problem. And if the question is elaborated, that is 2 mark question, you have to do the first or the second method. In the objective type, you can use the tricky method. So thank you for watching my video.